Hey guys, this is Brendan with Century 21 Trophy Class, and today we are in Michigan's elk country. We are in Wolverine, Michigan. We just got done walking this beautiful 21-acre parcel on the Little Pigeon River. Right now, I'm sitting at the cabin on this property. It's about 10 by 20, all the rustic fields, and it sits way up on top of this bluff, overlooking behind me all the way down to the Little Pigeon River. Tons of elevation change. From the cabin down to the river, we're just over 100 foot in elevation drop. If you guys want to check out this property for yourselves, feel free to reach me at the contact information below. Love to meet you out here, give you your own personal tour of this awesome property. Hope to hear from you soon.